Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Install Hana Tool V1. X and verify 8 GB RAM and 10 GB disk. Make sure dependencies are present. Once installed, obtain your API key and store it as a secure environment variable so scripts can access it without exposing credentials. Start the Hana daemon and immediately check port 8080 is open. If the log shows a clean startup, proceed. If not, stop and address errors before continuing. Once done with initial startup, you move into core configuration and workflow setup. Edit config. YAML to set endpoints, timeouts of 5s and 3 retries. These prevent transient failures from cascading. Next, define your pipelines. Map input sources to transformations and output syncs, and choose batch sizes appropriate to memory limits. Make sure to enable authentication and role-based access so only authorized users can run heavy jobs. Finally, run a dry run against a small test dataset to validate the full execution path before processing real data. You finish by executing the full job and watching metrics closely to ensure stable operation. Deploy the pipeline, monitor CPU, memory, latency, and expect error rates under 1%. If values spike, pause new jobs. Make sure alerts are configured and enable auto-retry with exponential backoff for transient failures. Back up your configuration and rotate API keys on a schedule. If something goes wrong, check the daemon logs first. Often a missing env variable or port conflict is the single root cause to fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.